Hi, I'm going to review your reconstitution and injection of your peptide that you received from Holtorf Medical Group. You should have received a bacteriostatic water, a vial of your peptide, a mixing syringe and needle, along with alcohol pads and insulin needles for injection. Let's get started. Your information sheet will have written here everything that we will discuss. Here we'll mark as many cc's as you need to mix into your vial. Today we're going to mix 1 cc in your vial. You will be drawing to the number 10 on the insulin syringe. We're going to take our syringe, should be a 3 cc syringe, and a needle to draw out the bacteriostatic water. Connect your needle onto your syringe. Take off the top plastic covers. Make sure to clean your vials with alcohol. You will be drawing out 1 cc of the bacteriostatic water. So you'll just hold your syringe, your vial upside down. You will pull to the number 1 on the syringe. There's 2 bevels, a top and a bottom. Make sure it lines up with the top bevel of the plunger. You'll take your vial, insert your needle, and start to push in your bacteriostatic water for reconstitution. If you feel any resistance, just pull the needle slightly out of the fluid, let go, and it will go ahead and push the air behind the fluid, allowing you to push in the rest of the bacteriostatic water. Now your vial is ready for injection. So you want to clean the top of your vial before you pull out your medication to inject. Your insulin syringe that you received will be a 100 units, 50 units, or 30 units. Any one of these will work for the injection. Today we'll use the 50, which is a half a cc. You'll want to go ahead and take off the bottom of the plunger. You can discard that. You'll remove the orange cap. Set that aside because you will need that later. Take your vial of peptide, place it upside down, gently insert the needle into the very center of the rubber plunger. Pull back the syringe and stop at the number 10. That is your dose today. Once you have drawn out the medication, you're going to want to recap it and set it aside. You'll be prepping your injection site, which would be anywhere in your lower abdomen and your upper thigh. Today we're going to do the lower abdomen. Alrighty, so we're going to inject in this area. We want to clean the area with alcohol. And then we want to fan dry it with our hand, never our mouth. We're going to pinch with one hand and straight in with the other. Push and out and rub. There we go.